ewaffe nze ayina n'emmotoka.
Bogi Junior, and you are very welcome to this episode of the G Sport wano wenyini ku Galaxy TV Jikonko. Princess Juliana Kanyomozi wambuzi about her son Taj and the decision to get pregnant again. It took her 4 years to think about it, and Taj came to her as a very huge blessing.
Fine, he's growing very fast.
Yeah.
He's a lovely, lovely boy. It took me a good 4 years to get to that place where I could open myself up to the idea of getting pregnant again.
Yeah. Mutawani we Keron yafuna attack ngali ku kisawe kya mpira yamuvirako okufiirwa obulamu bwe.
So he was in the field. He was playing soccer. And that's when you got an attack. I remember that day the weather was not good. It was very cold. And so I rushed there, picked him up, and things happened so fast. Yeah. So we ended up in hospital. And he just got worse. And we moved him to Nairobi, to Aga Khan Hospital. And he didn't make it.
Chosen back in a baby daddy we dictator Amir balabiddwako nga bali mu nnyonyi nga balina gye balagako naye nga kirabika nga Chosen back ekkubo lye bali mu yalimanyi era yagenze alambuza dictator Amir.
Wabera bwebiyenze era nabiranga
bayitawo batya
kati eno tuba tugenda waffe bayi wano tuyitawo gye naddala nga tugenda mu muke tuyitawo nnyo wano manyiwo wano manyiwo tuyitawo nnyo nga tugenda nojjo naye twagenda mu US wano twayitawo naye kolo waliwo hamps omanyi ennyonyi kyotagimanyiiko olumu nga bwolaga ba traffic wabera webirenga bikunje mulagawa mulina okuba ennyonnyola ojja bitegera ebintu byaffe ebyennyonyi ojja bikunyonyola mpolampola ojja bitegera kati olaba kyegambye awo olabawo ebyo ebiro birabi ebyo ebibiri ebyo n'okutegera bintegedde
obadde okimanyi nti enkuba kabonero ka mikisa naye nga temenye stage
watu enkuba si mu Buganda wokka naye mu Afrika wonna kabonero ka mikisa naddala nga tekamenye stage.
Ex-William Voice gwe bayita Joan avuddeyo n'ayogera ebyabaawukanya.
And I don't like it when someone comes out and claims to be a saint in the public, tells the world people are bad, women are bad, yet you're the very person doing the bad you're talking about. I was even shocked by the one of his exes had to leave the country because of the heart.
Twayagadeko ne Liam Voice kuzina ensonga n'agamba nti omuwala ono amumanyi era tamwegaana, and according to him anoonya cheap popularity. Robert Kelly, who's also known as R. Kelly, ng'ono abadde serving emyaka 3 in jail over child pornography crimes, yayongeddwako emyaka emirala 2. 19 of these years bagenda babaga balira wamu ne gali 3 already gabadde serving, so meaning he's now serving a total of 31 years in jail. That is all we have for you in this episode. My name is Bogi Junior, and I will be seeing you guys in the next episode. Bye.
ewaffe nze ayina n'emmotoka.